The best wholesale Vietnam hair vendors for raw hair in 2026. The hair extension market is projected to reach billions in the next few years, and at the heart of this growth is a demand for raw hair. While virgin hair used to be the buzzword, sophisticated clients now demand hair that has never touched steam or chemicals. When searching for wholesale Vietnam hair vendors for raw hair, you aren't just looking for a supplier. You are looking for a manufacturing partner. Vietnamese hair is globally renowned for its thickness, natural sheen, and strength, largely attributed to the herbal hair care traditions and healthy diets of rural Vietnamese donors. https rawhair-luxury.com/wholesale-vietnam-hair-vendors-for-raw-hair/ #raw hair luxury, #wholesale Vietnam hair vendors for raw hair, #raw human hair suppliers.